Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to make small changes to your eating habits over time. This approach is much easier than trying to follow a strict diet, and it can help you achieve your health goals without feeling deprived. Making small changes to your eating habits over time can lead to big results. For example, if you cut out soda for a few months, you might find that you no longer crave it. Then, you could cut out caffeine, and eventually, you'll be able to make other changes like eating more fruits and vegetables and cooking more often. For me, I started by cutting out soda for a few months. Now, I don't crave it at all anymore. Then, I cut out caffeine, and I don't miss it either. These small changes have made a significant impact on my health, and I feel much better. Now, I'm putting in effort to make sure I eat enough fruits and vegetables every day. One way to do this is by incorporating them into your meals. For example, you could add spinach to your smoothies, or you could have a side of veggies with your dinner. Another small change you can make is to cook more often. This way, you know exactly what's going into your food, and you can control the portion sizes. To make it easier, you could meal prep on the weekends or find quick and easy recipes to make during the week. In conclusion, making small, incremental changes to your eating habits over time is an easy and sustainable way to reach your health goals. Start by cutting out soda or caffeine, then focus on incorporating more fruits and vegetables and cooking more often. Remember, small changes lead to big results.